Got a BOE file from your enterprise reporting system? This format powers professional reports in SAP BusinessObjects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with SAP BusinessObjects reports. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value BOE file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. A user with a .boe file is working within the SAP BusinessObjects ecosystem, a suite of business intelligence (BE) applications. This file is a container that packages a report or document, allowing it to be easily shared, published, and viewed by other users within the enterprise platform. The .boe file is a proprietary archive, likely a compressed container, similar to a zip file, holding various components like report definitions, XML, data queries, and formatting information. This bundled design ensures all necessary assets for rendering the report are self-contained for portability. An essential utility for interacting with BOE is recognized as SAP BusinessObjects by SAP. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows lacks full understanding of custom data formats, so proper reading requires dedicated tools. The solution starts with the application list. Right-click the BOE file and choose Open With. Use SAP BusinessObjects as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. A systematic check is the most reliable method. If the BOE file still will not open, there is no need to stress. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, opening in BusinessObjects. Access BOE files through SAP BusinessObjects BI Launchpad or Crystal reports for enterprise applications. Authentication with enterprise credentials enables report viewing and execution against connected data sources. The reports display current data based on real-time query execution against back-end business systems. Next, editing report definitions. Modify BOE report definitions using SAP Web Intelligence or Crystal Reports designers within the BusinessObjects platform. The visual report designers enable layout modifications, query adjustments, formatting changes, and chart updates without requiring deep technical knowledge of report internals or back-end data structures. Finally, migrating between servers. Migrate BOE files between BusinessObjects servers using promotion management tools within the platform. The Promotion Management Console handles report migration with dependency tracking and version control. This enables development testing and production environment management across enterprise BusinessObjects deployments. If compatibility checks fail, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.